With these renewed talks globally about tariffs and trade protectionism, now, if major economies raise trade barriers, how exposed is the Philippines, particularly our exporters and manufacturers?
Oh, well, basically, the good thing about the Philippines, we're a domestic economy and we're not as affected. The effect to us is more of secondary inflation pressures. So brought about by the derivatives of this trade war, meaning it could be geopolitics, what's happening in Iran, and probably Greenland if President Trump thinks about invading it. That creates more uncertainty. The other side is what other countries will do to be able to continue to get their market share. What they will do, slowly devalue their currencies. And we've seen this in the statements from Thailand, Malaysia, and even Indonesia that they're willing to devalue their currency. So most likely, if they do that to preserve their sales, definitely there will be some adjustments on what people will call now competitive devaluation could eventually end up to some peso adjustments as well.
What does that mean for the Philippines?
Well, for the Philippines, it will mean slightly higher inflation, and that's one. Second, it will mean some peso adjustments along the way. So there could be periods where the peso could weaken, and um, my baseline view on the peso is 59.90 by year end. Again, this is already taking into account the impact of these tariffs.